welcome to my very first episode. And right now I'm going through my Pinterest board to kind of give you all like some inspiration or an idea of the inspiration that I have for my home, and just so you can kind of see my vision of everything. So here I'm starting with the kitchen and the eating table. This kind of sets the mood for like a farmhouse, more modern style farmhouse, which I know is very, very popular, but it just truly speaks to my soul and I absolutely love it. So this is kind of the vision for our kitchen and our dining table that we'll be eating at. And I have already purchased, the light fixtures and some other things that are going to be going in the kitchen and dining area. We are getting credit from the builder, but I wanted very specific things, so we're able to pick it out on our own. This is my home office inspiration, which is where I will be filming all of my YouTube videos, so I'm so excited for that. And it's going to be very light colors, bright, just a clean space to really let myself be focused, and I love having a clean area to focus in. So this is going to be the entryway design. I do want to have the larger circle mirror. I love that look, and I already have an entryway table that I actually got in my very first home, and it's still in amazing condition and I absolutely love it. This is the kitchen style. So this picture I'm clicking on right now, I actually already have the handles, so we are going to do those exact handles. I'm going to link everything down in the description box below. Everything pretty much that we're getting is right off of Amazon, and they have amazing prices, and it's exactly what I want. So I will link those down below if you all are interested in purchasing them as well. This is the laundry room. I love laundry rooms. I don't know what it is about it, but it just like is such a clean, smelling great, like just makes my mind, I don't know, at ease, and I love it. And this is the flooring, so it's going to be gray alpine oak luxury vinyl planking throughout the entire house. And then the stairs, the steps in our house are going to be hardwood, same exact color, the gray alpine oak color. And yeah, if you guys want to follow me on Pinterest, feel free. It's where I get all my inspiration for everything. And these are the bathrooms, so we will have 2 full bathrooms and then 1 half bath downstairs, and this is just the inspiration that I have for the bathrooms. Now let's get into the fun part of the video where John and I are signing the contract for our new home and picking everything out. What are we doing? Oh my god, why are you always flexing? Spending money. We just signed our papers. Next, we went over the flooring, and we did pick that gray alpine oak, the second one from the bottom for the hardwood stairs, and the LVP flooring. And these are the white cabinets. I love that square design in the middle, and I wanted to share with you all Amazon. So I created my own private list on Amazon called Ekin House, our last name, and I saved all of the things that I wanted to purchase. Again, the builder is crediting us for like the light fixtures and everything, but I wanted to buy them on my own because I wanted something very specific, and I highly encourage you all to do that because that way it's done. You don't have to do it later, and you don't have to pay for an electrician or a contractor to come out and put those fixtures in for you, and you can just get it done right away, first thing when your house is being built. You all just saw us picking out everything that's gonna go inside of our house, and I'm actually able to go look at a house that is going to be a similar color to what our siding is. Now, it is not the same exterior layout. The garage is completely different. The side of the house is completely different. So it's not the same house,
but the color of the siding and the shutters is what I'm paying attention to. Now the inside of the home is going to be pretty similar, so you all will see that, and I'm gonna go over that. Now, there were contractors upstairs, and I did not want to go up there while they were up there, and I did not want to film while they were upstairs, so you're only going to see the downstairs. I am gonna go back to that house soon so I can get footage of the upstairs, so that will be in another video. But I hope you guys enjoy just kind of seeing what the exterior color of our house is going to be. The door will be different. Like I said, the exterior is going to be different, but the color will be the same.
Here we are at the house that has similar colors to ours. So we picked out this charcoal gray color, which is this exact siding, and I actually really love the black shutters. Now they have a white door, which we are not doing a white door. We're gonna do a very dark gray color. I'm still trying to pick that out. So comment down below on what gray color from Sherwin-Williams we should pick. But this is exactly the color of our house. The black shutters is exactly it. Now this style is not the same as ours. Our garage will be on the side of the house, not the front of the house. So this is a totally different style, but I'm so glad I was able to see the color because I absolutely love that charcoal gray siding with the black shutters. Okay, so there were actually construction workers still working upstairs, so I only was able to record downstairs, but the light fixtures in here, like I said, we picked our own fans out, so that fixture that's in there is not what ours is gonna look like. This layout inside is exactly what our house will look like. So I'm so glad that I was able to visit this house just to kind of get an idea. So this kitchen though, our island is going to be in the center of the kitchen, and this house is 400 square feet smaller than what ours is going to be 2,600. This one was 2,200. So, you know, our island will be in the center and our kitchen will be a lot wider, where here they had like an L-shaped counter. So our kitchen is not exactly like this, but the layout as far as the open kitchen concept with the family room is the same, and the pantry there is the same. Here's where the basement will be. I definitely was not going down there by myself. And that's the front door hallway right there. The bathroom downstairs on that right hand side. Again, this is the kitchen. That's where the refrigerator will go. And this is the door to the garage, which also looks kind of scary right now. But our garage will be on the side of the house. This one again was in the front of the house. So there are, you know, several differences, but I was just so happy to kind of get an idea of what it kind of looked like. I am obsessed with that pantry. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for that. So yeah, super pretty white kitchen. I love it. Sliding glass door to the back. Absolutely love that. Now, we will actually not have that beautiful farmhouse sink. It was just way too expensive for, we're already at our limit of our budget, and that was just way too much to add that in, and the changing of the cabinets and everything. But we will have just the regular sink, and I'm totally fine with that. But I'm so happy that we are gonna actually have all of our appliances from the builder, so we don't have to pay extra and go buy that. We only have to buy a washer and dryer, which is really nice. So if you are building, please take note of these things and ask your builder, because it really does make a difference when you have a budget. And also these fixtures over the island, like I said, I picked different ones. We purchased them off of Amazon. You'll see in my description box. And this is the back deck, which they are building for us. And now I'm showing you where my office is going to be. So this is actually going to be a wall right here. And then I'm gonna have French doors up in that walkway right there. And this will be my office facing the beautiful sunlight. And I'm so excited about that. And I'm gonna have the recessed lighting in there too, so that my videos will be nice and bright and beautiful.
Now we are gonna go over and check out Lowe's to see what Sherwin-Williams colors I can find for the front door. So the builder did tell me to go pick out my own color, Sherwin-Williams paint, but I figured it'd be kind of fun to take you guys to Lowe's with me, so let's head there right now.
Here we are at Lowe's checking out the paint colors. Now, as you all know, the outside of our house, the exterior siding is going to be called charcoal gray. So it's a pretty dark gray color. Now, we are planning on living in this home for literally the rest of our lives. So therefore, we know that the sun is definitely going to fade the siding, which is my initial thought is to get the darkest gray so that over the years it's still gray and is not turning really white. So anyways, we're gonna have a dark charcoal gray color of siding and then the black shutters. Now I'm trying to figure out if I want a dark gray front door or if I want a light gray front door so that whatever I put on the front door, like a wreath or something, is actually going to like pop with the lighter background color. And I also feel like it kind of breaks up the grays and the darks and the blacks. So I'm picking out a lot of different hues of gray. So we have like a bluish gray and then a like hue of darker like greenish gray. Here's more of like the blue grays right here. But I'm still indecisive when it comes to the front door. I kind of am leaning towards like a lighter gray color, just so that there's some contrast between like the dark gray siding, the black shutters, and then a lighter gray front door. So comment down below what you all think, or if you've seen other houses that are similar, like what does the front door look like? I keep trying to go on Pinterest to find like inspiration photos and ideas, but I'm still a little indecisive. So there's just so many options. So this one that I have right here, I love that lighter gray. So I kind of was hoping for that one. Now this I was just laying out so you could see all the different types of grays. There's so many different hues of gray. So comment down below, what is your favorite? What do you think would go with the charcoal gray siding and the black shutters? And I just want it to look very like modern looking. I'm going for like the modern farmhouse look, but more on the modern side. So let me know down below. We do have the measurements for the windows from the builder, so I am planning to look at blinds, which is what I'm doing right now, just to make sure that, you know, with COVID, everything is like back ordered, so I would like to put those in as soon as the house is done. So I was just checking them out. A lot of them were 10% off, which was amazing. I do like this thicker kind that's like easy to pull down, so I was just checking them out to see what they had to offer, and that is pretty much it for my Lowe's trip. I am going to end the video here. I really hope that you all enjoyed kind of taking you along the beginning stages of our new home, and I'm so excited to continue making more videos. So stay tuned for the next one when we get more into the nitty-gritty of our house, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!